Are you contemplating buying a self-cleaning cat litter box? Yet there are so many options available, it can be difficult to understand what's best suited for your cat. To aid in your decision, we'll be covering one of the best self-cleaning cat litter box, for multiple cats. If you are looking for a reliable and highly effective product, the Boqii automatic cat litter box with multi-cat recognition fits that desire perfectly. Features a large capacity of trash box, means no scooping, cleaning, or refilling cat's litter box for few weeks. On top of that, it will record each cat's toilet habits, and the best part is that multiple cats can be individually identified and recorded. Even when you are traveling, working, or on your way home. You can open the app to get your cat's health management report at any time. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's why we think this model is the best value product. Here are the ratings of this great product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below, and we will get back to you as soon as we can.